If you've been hunting for that property with a fantastic walkability close to the downtown amenities and in an area rich in history and culture, but also with a private and serene feeling, we have the property for you. My name is Alex Hughes with the North Pacific Homes Group, and we are proud to present 248 Michigan. This half duplex is situated in James Bay and is at the back end of the building, meaning you got a great long driveway perfect for boat storage or RV storage. It just had a brand new roof put on. It's got a 2-bedroom main floor suite and a 1-bedroom basement suite that has a media room that can be converted into that 2nd bedroom. And also take a look behind me, an absolutely beautiful oasis in the city.